What if I told you gardening helped restore the Bronx in the 1980s? I went up to Van Cortlandt Park to check out a community event with the Bronx Green-Up. The Bronx Green-Up was established 36 years ago in response to the community efforts to restore their neighborhoods during the Bronx's burning era. People were coming together on their own to establish community gardens and spaces, and today they are still in use, inspiring the new generation to develop more ecological, sustainable habits.
I am Pamela Alvarez, the Outreach and Education Manager for Bronx Green-Up at the New York Botanical Garden. I think it's crucial for kids to see this, not just to come together as a community, but to see the composting happening. So this can become something that's normal.
This was a chore. What do you
know? It's like you're playing, but you don't even know it, but you're learning. And you're in community and you're doing a good service.
Would anyone like to help crunch the leaves?
Yeah, let me crunch some
We
before you
have
go.
crunching leaves.
We've partnered with Bronx Green-Up. They've built our compost bins and they've partnered with us on various projects over these 20 years. And we could not host an event like this without that type of a partnership. They provide us the expertise, the staff, the extra hands to have this many volunteers in the space.
So people are gathering the leaves, we're crunching them, we're putting them into these jewel bins. And eventually this will all decompose and turn into compost. She's also gonna mix this with food scraps, which will make the process go even faster. So you're like, what happens after we put all the leaves in this bin? How does it get broken down? So that's how you initiate those conversations. And you can't do that in a classroom.
This
This is rosemary.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Our program, I hate to say this, but relies on volunteers. Without them, we couldn't do the work that we do. The whole mission of our program is to have the community buy in to these community spaces. And we're always looking for people to come and get their hands dirty, help us water, help us plant seeds, harvest, help us compost. If you want to get your hands dirty, hit us up.
If you want to learn about composting and a lot more, Bronx Green-Up offers so many ways to learn. Check out the volunteer events and the workshops and the beauty that the Bronx community has to offer.
Crunch, and voila, you did compost. You're a pro.